Hello guys, my name is Suraj Pratap and welcome to my channel. Today I'm reviewing a software which is Absolute Profits. So it's a brand new software launched by William Nova. So with this software you can turn your $5 into $315. Now you are thinking how? So give me some time. If you are interested in this software or want to know more about this, then stick with me and watch this full review video till the end, because today I'm also giving my premium bonuses for free to those people who are going to buy this software with my link which is in the description, guys. So now you are thinking how this software turns your $5 into $315. So guys, it's simple. You have to only spend $5 for buyer traffic, and this software helps you to get for you laser targeted buyer traffic and make you lots of money, guys. So now it's time to know about the product and also my bonuses. So when you click in the link which is in the description, guys, you come here on my bonus page. As you can see, guys, my insane bonus bundle of Absolute Profits. So guys, here you can see rinse and repeat proven formula that works with little $5 for buyer traffic and easy running commissions. So guys, you have to spend only $5 and the recurring commission was coming to you. And now guys, when you scroll more, you can see the image of Absolute Profit, and here is some information about this software. So here you can see this, guys, that you will learn how closely guarded secret, a surefire method that brings us daily affiliate commissions. So guys, with this software, people are making on the daily basis commission, and as a matter of fact we are turning $5 into $315.20 now, and it's just getting better and better. So guys, here you can see that people are also making that $5 convert into $5 into $315, guys, and it's time to time getting better, guys. And for this software you do not need any, guys, no experience, no social media followers, and no definitely no product launching required. Take 10 minutes to set up and it runs on autopilot after that. So guys, with this software you don't need any experience, or you don't have to any follower, or do not have to launch any your own product. So guys, and this software only takes 10 minutes to set up, and after that this software or whole process is get on autopilot. You have to only, guys, count the money and take the gain of profits. So guys, it's a very good new launched and good software. So when you scroll more, here you can see the prices, but we talk later about the prices, guys. First I want to show you some key benefits of this software. So guys, here you can see the key benefits of Absolute Profit, and the first key benefit of this software is, guys, beginner friendly. So this is a beginner friendly software, guys. If you have do not any knowledge about technology, or you do not have any knowledge about this affiliate marketing, then you can also use this software, guys. And the second one is no experience needed. So guys, you also do not need any experience to run this software. And third is, guys, quick start training. So guys, in this software you can start your own training quickly. And the another one is, guys, real case study. So in that members area you can also see the real case study, guys, that how many people may also makes the money with the help of this software. And the another one is guys ultra low competition model. So guys, this model is also have low competition. And the another one is guys without product creation. So guys, you do not have to create your own product in this system. And the another one is guys 100% proven effective. So the vendor is saying that guys this is a 100% proven effective method and effective system, you can say guys. And the another one is guys takes just 10 minutes setup, and this software only take 20 minutes to set up guys. And the last one is guys which is 30 days money back guarantee. So if you think that this software is not working for you and you have to you do not have to use it, then you can refund this product and get your money back guys within 30 days. So these are the key benefits of absolute profit guys. And now when you scroll more, you can see my bonuses guys. So these all my premium bonuses guys, and today I'm going to give you these bonuses for free to you. So my first bonus is guys how to build a buyer's list, and its value is $649 guys. So guys, with this bonus you are going to learn how you can make your own buyer list and sell them after your own product and make huge commissions guys. And the another bonus is guys which is 10x commission, and its value is $699. So guys, with this bonus you are going to learn how you can 10x your commission, or how you can increase your commission or scale your business to the next level. So guys, my third bonus is which is Bing Ads Mastery Training, and its value is $997. So guys, with this bonus you are going to learn how you can run a successful campaign on Bing Ads, because we know that in today's digital world, online advertising is booming. So this bonus will help you a lot to run a successful campaign and make more profits guys. And the another bonus is guys crazy traffic explosion, and its value is $799. So guys, with this bonus you are going to learn how you can drive a huge traffic to your offers and make tons of money guys. And the another bonus is guys which is a special bonus, and its value is $2,997. So guys, these special bonus was provided you by the vendor. So I'm also show you the vendors bonuses guys. Here you can see the vendors bonuses guys. First bonus of vendors is guys bonus number 1, exclusive access Gemini. So it's basically guys it's a email marketing tool. And another bonus is guys Vanquish. And third bonus is guys Steel HD. And fourth bonus is guys because I don't know guys, you can read this your own. Okay guys, so these 4 bonuses you are getting from the vendor, and also you are getting from me my 4 premium bonuses guys. You can see guys, these all bonuses are very precious and very expensive. So if you want to get these bonuses for free of cost, then you have to just do one thing, that you have to buy this software with buy link which is in the description guys. Now you are thinking how you can buy this software guys. So when you come here on my bonus page guys, you can see here are some key yellow buttons. So you have to only click one of these yellow buttons. So when you click one of these yellow buttons, you'll come here on the sales page of the profit absolute profits, guys. You can see, and you can also here see the demo video, guys, how this software works. And now when you scroll, you can see here is a button get instant access. So when you click this button, you direct to the checkout page, and there you have to only pay the amount of this software, and the software is yours, guys. Now you are thinking how you can get my bonuses and also vendors bonuses, guys. So when we talk about the vendor bonuses, you will get vendors bonuses in the members area. But when you buy this software with my link, then my bonuses you will get. For my bonuses, you have to go to your purchase history and search for the absolute profits. And when you click the absolute profit, the interface looks like that, guys. You can see, and here is a button, guys, which is access affiliate bonus. So when you click this button, you can directly download my all premium bonuses, guys, for free of cost. So guys, if you sorry guys, so guys, if you are thinking to buy this software, then don't forget my link, guys, and also my bonuses. So now it's time to know about the prices of this absolute profit, guys. So the front end price of this absolute profit is, guys, $12, and the upsell one, which is, guys, absolute profits pro and 30x results, its value is, guys, $47, and downsell is $27, and upsell 2, which is absolute profits done for you campaigns, its value is, guys, $47, and downsell is $27, and third upsell is, guys, absolute profits unlimited traffic. So its price is, guys, $57, and downsell is $37, and upsell 4, which is, guys, absolute profits reseller club, and its value is, guys, $77, and downsell is $47. And the last one is, guys, last upsell is 5, which is absolute profits unhinged, and its value is, guys, $497, and downsell is $297, guys. So these all are the prices, guys. So it's a brand new software and good software, guys. So if you are interested in make money online, then don't forget this deal, guys. And if you are going to buy this software, then also don't forget about my bonuses and also my link, guys, which is in the description. So guys, I think if this video helps you a lot, then don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and also, guys, comment down below that you like this video or not, and subscribe to my channel, and also share this video with your friends, guys. So have a nice day. Thank you.